Today we are going to show you how to make lacto-fermented onions using the Cultures for Health fermented vegetable kit. The first steps are making the brine, and you're going to want to use 4 tablespoons of the Celtic sea salt that comes inside the vegetable kit, and then 8 cups of water, and stir it until it's all dissolved. You're going to want to cut up 6 to 8 cups of pearl onions, peeled and sliced thinly, but I used just regular onions that we had in the cabinet, just white regular store-bought onions. Once you are done cutting up all the onions, you're going to want to fill it with your brine and leave about 1 or 2 inches at the top of the jar. Next, you're going to want to put your weights on top of the onions to keep them submerged inside the brine. Next, add your airlock lid on top of the jar. Remove the cap and fill till the max line of the airlock lid with water. Now you are ready to start fermenting the onions. Usually it takes about a week, about 5 days, and you're really just fermenting until you get the flavor that you want. So it could be 2 days, it could be 5 days, it could be 7 days, and then once you're finished with the fermentation, you can put it into cold storage or eat them right away. You can get started making your very own lacto-fermented onions at home with your vegetable kit from culturesforhealth.com.